Hey y'all, boom, chicky way, boom, way. Oh, welcome back to Shalom Meadows. The place where we're flipping the house from 1960s to 70s. Oh, did I say house? I'm already calling it a house. It's an old office building into a home from the 1960s and 70s. We're gonna finish off putting these pieces of drywall up, and in the next video you'll probably be seeing us painting some more of that stuff on the trim if it hadn't been raining, and the next few videos, and mudding and taping this, and then possibly something to do with the laundry room. I about said the dryer room, the cleaner room, but I couldn't think of it. The laundry room, and also putting outlets in, and you'll see that as well. So thank y'all for coming back. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you know when we got those videos coming out. Come on now.
Guys, so Justin's at work. I'm going to try to tackle some of these electrical outlets. I actually thought I had gotten a light switch, and I didn't. I got all outlets, so I need to run back to Lowe's and get an outlet. I feel like we're never going to finish this laundry room, but yeah, so let's do it. Okay guys, so first things first, let me get this off. It's pretty long. Always make sure the power's out, guys. And then the ground wire. They want to make sure this is not going to come out, which I guess is a good thing. So because we're changing the box and all. Look at there. Came out. Okay. This is what it looks like. This one didn't have a place to put it to attach to the side of the stud. This one does, as you can see. So we're just gonna hammer it down. Alright guys, so I have hammered this into the stud as best I could, because it's hard to get a hammer in here to hit, but it's on there. So now I'm just twisting this ground wire back together. Okay. And these are already looped, so I'm not worried about them. This will also need to have a loop. outlets in. So this is what it looks like. Nothing special, just a standard white outlet. It's new. That's all that matters to me. If it's new and it works, of course. So with that said, the gold here, the brass, is going to go with the hot wires, which are black. And the white ones are going to go with the silver wires. The silver screws, excuse me. And this is for the ground wire, the green. It's special, that's why it's great. So I'm going to do the hot wire first. Just get it around this and my drill and tighten it. Okay, the other black one. This one was the one that gave me a hard time because it's just bent very, very narrowly. To hook this one. There isn't no telling when these were ever changed. So all right, now we got the black ones on, which is the hot wires. We're gonna put on the white wires. This will bend for me. And reach. There we go. You have to kind of manipulate this one because it's not very straight. You just love that. Straighten her out. Maybe I should have done this one first. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna have to unscrew that knot again. I get both. Ground wires last, and it will go on the green. You also have to manipulate this one. Done. It's finished, and it does work. I checked it with my charger. Yeah.
That's 18. Let me see.
Just stay right there. Oh, the cuts.
Let me get that back. Let me get that.
What?
The drill.
You gotta talk to pull it screws?
Uh-huh. Okay. Now, instead of measuring tape, you
Where's all the stuff? Why weren't you paying attention? Oh my God.
right there. Right in the throat.
Stop. Really?
That's his blood.
Are you insecure about your measurements, sir?
No. I want to see what you're... No, it's almost 19. See, it's like 18 and... Almost 18 and a half.
Almost 18 and a half. It's not almost 19.
It is. A half is closer to a whole. He's only like 2 years old. Yeah, this is too long.
Doesn't.
Put a hole in it. Trim pieces. But you know what? She's the best cutter I can ask for. She's my love.
Somehow I don't romanticize.
I can't get over here. I'm blocked. I'm blocked.
Yeah.
Hey! Oh. Hey! Oh.
What the?
You know what that is. Still too long. Still too long.
No, you have to push up.
No, that's too short. Because that's all the way up.
You gotta turn it back around this one. I literally despise doing that.
I know that hurt!
Yeah, you need another bit.
Right one.
That's what I'm talking about. One's gonna jump out. Oh,
You
yeah.
need more
Yeah,
screws?
dude. Wow, not enough pocketful screws.
7.
You need 7 screws?
Yeah, I'll take 7.
Oh, Lord. You really need 7 screws? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hey, y'all, there's a 1, 2 knocker in
and
there.
a half.
Underlay.
That's all you had to say.
What's that? What's going on? What's that? I'm tired of making holes in there. Tired of making holes in Okay. That will conclude the video. As you can see, the cuts are very bad, but they'll be fixed and they'll be trimmed eventually. And like I said in the beginning of the video, there's going to be tape in the money, so hopefully there'll be some good tape in the money because it's been a while, but there's a lot of mess ups when we do move in here that we're going to see all the time, and we're going to know that I done it. So don't forget, y'all, to like, share, subscribe. Click that notification bell. Come back and join us next time. Shalom, y'all.